Magandang araw sa lahat. I hope everybody is doing well. It is Heart Echo Session with the Arupe Office of Community Service and Advocacy. I am Sir George Lacerona Jr., the office coordinator, and you can call me Sir George or Sir Gio. We thank your class moderator, guys, no, for letting me into your class today, and I hope that we will have a meaningful, reflective, and inspiring time together. Heart Echo is a program where we meet our students during a homeroom or Friday formation day. Here we orient and organize students or classes for advocacy and community service engagements. Why Heart Echo? In this program, we try to connect different social realities based on areas that are within our control. And that is where stewardship comes in. The idea of stewardship is no longer new to us. As early as grade school, we were already introduced to the importance of taking care of our environment. In short, napaka-basic niya na topic, and some may find it already boring because paulit-ulit na lang. Ano nga ba ulit ang ibig sabihin ng word na stewardship? Okay, for 30 seconds, can you share to your or can you talk with your seatmates about what you still remember or understand about this word? Sige, let's go. According to Merriam-Webster, stewardship is the conducting, supervising, or managing of something. More simply, it means the careful and responsible management of something entrusted to your care. If we look at the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal 16 on peace, justice, and strong institutions, good governance is also defined as the legitimate, accountable, transparent management of power and resources. The way good governance is defined here is almost the same as the definition of stewardship. Let us read another slogan. Then, as you read this, what comes into your mind? Philippines is not a poor country. Filipinos only need to be good stewards. This thought actually came out last year during an eco trip that I had with a group of our grade 12 ISF students who went to sanitary landfill in Barangay Salaan last school year. After the tour in the landfill, our students gathered here in the campus to examine our segregation bins. The goal was to see where we are as an institution when it comes to waste segregation. The students were divided into groups and were assigned an area in our buildings to survey the waste collection bins. After that, lahat kami nag-gather sa likod ng campus near Gate 6 at the school's main garbage collection area. Itong nakikita ninyo ngayon sa photo, this is the back of cell number 3 of the landfill taken last year, July 28, by Emil Cuevas, one of our alumnus and student leader from the Oculus. As you can see, likod pa lang to ng cell number 3 of the landfill, pero bundok na siya. Yung sinasabi kong bundok, that is the size of a cell in a landfill. According to the Landfill Guidebook by the National Solid Waste Management Commission and Japan International Cooperation Agency, a landfill has a lifespan of 15 years. A landfill can operate 5 cells throughout its life, and each cell kayang magtagal or mag-operate for 3 years. For Zamboanga City, if we look at the satellite images from Google Earth, the cell 3 of our city landfill is more than 1.5 hectares. That area is a combination of our FWS and COSTCA buildings plus MPCC 1. A fully loaded cell is equivalent to a mountain full of trash. Take a look at the photo for example. Nung kinunan namin yan last year, nakatayo po kami sa paanan. The height of the mountain is like a three-story building. And hindi pa yan fully loaded at that time in that state. Then last April, this year already, a group of educators from Zamboanga City from different schools visited the site. Nung binisita namin, ang nakita namin, The size already doubled, and the cell was already closed. What does the sanitary landfill has to say about our stewardship? To answer that question, let's have a simple math problem solving. Kindly form groups of 3 or 4 persons to answer this Google form activity. Once you are done, kindly tell your class moderator so we can proceed to the last part of this session.